Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 1717 Log Cabin Road on gorgeous Seneca Lake. This newly renovated waterfront home is ready for you. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Enjoy open waterfront living right on the water. With this spectacular great room featuring a charming white and bright kitchen, a waterfront view dining area, and living area, all with beamwood ceilings and maintenance-free luxury vinyl floors. While the upstairs features 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom, including a primary bedroom with the biggest lakeview window I've ever seen, with unbelievable views. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 50 feet of pristine waterfront, with a permanent dock with a boat station, a break wall, and an expansive yard for all your waterfront games and activities. Enjoy this premier Finger Lakes location in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, also known as the Napa Valley of the East, and easy access to the New York State Thruway.
Here we are at the north end of beautiful Seneca Lake with panoramic views and the city of Geneva. This is a great place, Rob.
Ithaca Commons has great restaurants and shops. There's always something fun to do. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1717 Log Cabin Road on gorgeous Seneca Lake, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!